How to duplicate web pages on Webflow easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to duplicate web pages on Webflow. So let's get into it. You will open up your Webflow website, your editor where you are editing your website. So let's say I want to duplicate the web pages on this website right here. So this is our main panel where we get all of the options, and the first option is a page icon which says pages. So you have to click on this one. It will open up all of the web pages that you have on your website. In order to duplicate a page, you can just click on the settings. In settings, you will find this icon right here, which is a duplicate page icon. So you will find it right here on the top. So you just have to click on it and it will duplicate your page. It will create a copy of a page that you already have. You can see I have reached maximum number of pages of this website. So that is why it says this, but you will just click on it and it will ask your permission to copy the page and it will be copied right here. Just click on settings and click on this icon right here which says duplicate page. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.